Guys, you know that now we are left with only these three transactions in our to be journalized and posted in our subsidiary books and ledger, right? So here the next one is returned two television sets and one refrigerator to Videocon Bhopal. This will go in purchase return book. I think
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही.
we have already recorded it. Let me see. Yeah, two televisions, one refrigerator. This we have already recorded earlier in our purchase return book and also in purchase return account. And we have also done posting of that. Return goods of rupees 25,000 to Akai Limited Mumbai. That also I think we have done here. Yes, to Akai Limited. This also we have done.
Excuse me, sir. So the screen isn't visible.
It's visible now, right, Anushka?
Yes, sir.
So now I think we are left with only this transaction, that is purchase office shares from Anu Furniture Indore for rupees 64,000 plus GST at the rate of 18%. Right? Only this transaction we are left with. So it would be recorded where? In which book it would be recorded? General proper, right? Why? Because it is not purchase of goods, it is purchase of fixed assets. That is office chairs. Office chairs are our fixed assets, not goods, right? Secondly, why it will not be recorded in cash book or in cash book, because here we have not made payment. So this will go to journal proper book. So in journal proper book, we will journalize this transaction, and for that we will debit furniture account, will debit input SGST account, will debit input CGST account, and will credit Anu furniture account. The value of furniture is 64,000 rupees. Now 9% of 64,000 is 10% is 6,400, and 1% is 640. So 6,400 minus 640 is 400 and 240, that is 5,760. So total amount that we have to pay to earning Anu Furniture is 69 and 74 and 75,000, 520. Am I clear, guys, or not? Now we have to post this transaction in different accounts. We need to make furniture account in our ledger and Anu Furniture account. Why? Because it is not there as of now. So as of now, I'm first doing posting of input SGST and input CGST account. So on the debit side of input SGST account, we will write to Anu Furniture account with 5,760. So here we will write to Anu Furniture account with 5,760. So on the debit side of input SGST account, I have written in particulars column to Anu Furniture account and an amount column 5,760. This is how input SGST account has been debited with 5,760. The same we will do with input CGST account. So here we will write Anu Furniture account with 5,760. This is also done. So guys, you first do this thing in your registers in your notebooks. The changes in input SGST and input CGST account. Those who are online guys, do this all. Done. The same thing in input SGST, CGST account. Do this also here guys. This one. Ashutosh, Aryan, you are doing this. Kunal, Anushka,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Then guys, right? So now the two more ledger accounts that we have to make are furniture account and Anu furniture account. On the debit side of furniture account, we'll write to Anu furniture account with the amount of furniture that is 64,000. And on the credit side of Anu furniture account, we'll write by furniture account, by input SGST account, and by input CGST account with their respective amounts. Note down this, guys, all everyone fast this much. 332, 33 means 2,99,000. 230. So the credit balance in Videocon account is 2,99,230. Then guys, all I'm asking those also who are online guys, are you done with this? The
Yes,
closing
sir.
Yes, of Akai Limited and Videocon account. Then we have purchase account. So here balance would be the total of debit side. Why? Because we do not have anything on the credit side. And total of debit side is we have already calculated, that is 13 lakh 51,050. This balance was not given to us guys in the question. This I wrote earlier to make you understand how purchase account is made, right? Yeah, we had cash purchase of 2,000. We purchased some TV cables, if you remember. And this total is coming from the purchase book, 4 lakh 24,000. That is from here, the total of purchase column. So now here the total would be 4 lakh 26,000, and the same will become the balance of this account at the end of August month. So do this guys as I have done it here in purchase account all. Remove the opening balance if you have noted down guys here. Strike that off, and with that now you also will have debit balance of rupees 4 lakh 26,000 in your purchase account.
Sir, in ledger, all the cash transactions are there, not in the credit.
Sorry? Yes, Aryan?
Sir, but the purchases what we are done in credit are not in ledger.
This one? This you're talking about?
Sir, these are cash transactions.
Which one? Drawings, loss by theft, sample, charity. This you're talking about?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No, no. See, I wrote them just to make you understand that on the credit side of purchase account, these items can also be there. But in our question, none of these items are there. Have you got me? None of these items
Yes,
is
sir.
there in our question. But in other questions, you may have any of these items. So just to make you people understand as what can come in purchase account, I have written this here. We do not have drawings, loss, charity, sample in our question, right? Do we have? We do not have. I hope you have
Okay, sir.
understood this, Aryan, now, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, input SGST account would also be closed. Here also we may have these items, guys. By drawings, by loss, sample, charity, and some others. Purchase return account, sorry, input SGST account has this debit coming from purchase book and this credit coming from purchase return book, guys. I hope you all understand this, right? So now the balance of this account on 31st August is total of this, that is 30. Here this will change the total, that is 30,000, sorry, 31,140. Yeah, 31,140. 31,140 minus 2,520. That is 140, so 380, 29, 28, 620. So the debit balance in input SGST account is 28,620, guys. Please do as I have done it here. All. Done all guys? Did this right? Now input CGST account. Here also these items we may have on the credit side. $31,140 would be the total of this account also. So 31,140 minus 2520 is the balance that we had here, 28,620. Done guys all? Now input IGST account. So 25,920 is the total of debit side. 25,920 minus 4,500 is 21,420. The debit balance in input IGST account. Done guys all this also. Next is packing and forwarding charges account. It has only one debit 4270, so that only would be the balance of this account. And we do not require this line of total because we have only one amount each side. So the debit balance in packing and forwarding charges account is also 4,000 is 4,270. Note down this much, guys. All done with this, guys. Right? All now purchase return book. This already we have closed and its totals have been transferred to their respective accounts. So after that purchase return account. So the total is 53,000, which is coming from purchase return book, that is from here. This one 53,000, and this only would be the balance at the end of August month. 53,000, and we do not require the line of total here, guys. Make this all, guys, everyone. Done, Yash. You are noting down everything, right? Ashutosh, Anushka, Kunnar, and Aryan, are you done till here? Okay, so after purchase return account, the next here we have sales book, the total of which we have already transferred to their respective accounts. Now, Bhumi Traders account, we need to close it, and for that we need to balance this. So here the total is 26,550, and this is 121.5 plus 675 is 796.5. So 26,550 minus 796.5 is it is 246. 246, so it is 25,253.5. No, 753.5. I'm sorry. Yeah, 25,753.5. So you all have done this also, guys, right? So Bhumi Traders has debit balance of 25,753.5. Whenever a personal account has debit balance, it means that much of amount we have to recover from that account, right? After this, we have Gayatri Enterprises account. This also will have debit balance at the end of the month. So 98,087.5 minus 39,235. 58,852.5. Now next is sales account, which will have credit balance because it is our income, and income always has credit balance. The total of credit side is 1,88,750, and this only will become the trade balance of sales account. 1 lakh 1 lakh 88 750. Done right, guys, all? Till sales account. Ashutosh, Aryan, Anushka, Hunar.
Yes, sir.
Next is output SGST account. Here we will have credit balance. This is 16,987.5. The total of credit side 1697.5 minus 60.75 minus 2,992.5 is 13,934.25, which is trade balance of output SGST account. Then right there is all. Next account that we have is output CGST account. This will also have the same balance, that is 13,934.25. Why? Because all the amounts of output SGST and CGST usually remain same until they are set off. Done, guys, with this output CGST account also. Now we have double column cash book. This also needs to be closed. Okay, guys, we do not have any balance of cash given in this question at the beginning of August month. But obviously there must be, because without any balance, how can we make the payment of cash? But I'm not taking any balance as of now of cash. So with this, our cash will have negative balance. So this can never happen, but as of now, I'm taking it as credit balance, that is negative balance of 2,360. Why? Because the total of trade side of cash is 2,360. And total of debit side of bank is 90 and 97, and then 800, 900, and 187.5. And this will become the debit balance of bank 98,087.5. I hope, guys, you all have understood what I did here. Yes or no? Cash here I have written as credit balance, negative balance. This can never be the case, but in our this question, we do not have opening balance of cash given to us. Though there definitely must be some debit balance of cash, because if it is not there, how we are making payment of, how the business is making payment of cash. So for sure there would be opening balance, but since it is not given, our balance of cash here is coming as negative balance. Am I clear? So cash has credit balance and bank has debit balance. I hope you all have updated your cash book, double column cash book. Yes or no? Those who are online, guys, are you all done with this? I'm asking all guys. Ashutosh, Hunar, Aryan, are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Next is sales return book. The totals of this also we have transferred to their respective accounts. That is to sales return account, output as SGST account and output CGST account. Now sales return account. This will have debit balance of 33,250. Done guys, all right. With sales return account also. Next is rebate account, which has debit balance of rupees 675. Here mistakenly as I've written two, it should be buy balance CD in sales return account, and here it should be two. If you also have done this mistake, please correct it, guys. Two and buy here on the debit and credit side respectively in sales returns account. Guys, you have to re-log in once the meeting gets over. Hunar, Aryan, and now guys, rebate account. This also we have closed. Furniture account. And lastly, a new furniture account, which has credit balance. It means it is our creditor because we yet have to pay money to a new furniture account, right? And that is 69 and 74, 75,520. Done, guys. Till here, everything. Aryan, Hunar and Ashutosh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with this, guys, we are done with this whole question where we have generalized every transaction in their respective subsidiary books and also have posted them in respective ledger accounts. Right? Now let's see, guys, preparation of trial balance under the system. So there is no difference, guys, as such in preparation of trial balance. What we did under our first flow, where we had only general journal book and then ledger and then trial balance, the left hand side flow, right? There also we make trial balance by taking balances from ledger accounts. Here also we do so, but here additionally we also take balance of cash and bank from cash and bank book. Why? Because in ledger, cash account and bank account are not there under the system. Because for cash account and for cash and bank, we have cash books. So in ledger, I repeat, cash account and bank accounts are not maintained. So the balances of cash and bank are taken in trial balance from the cash book. Rest all remain same under process 1 and process 2. Process 1 is the left hand side where we have only general journal book, ledger and trial balance, and right hand side process 2 is the one where we have subsidiary books, then ledger and then trial balance. Right? So I'm making the trial balance, guys. You can also start making it. You all know the format of trial balance. I'm doing this for this question. So guys, the very first account that we made here is account of Akai Limited, which has trade balance of 1,42,820. So it would be written on the trade side 1,42,820. Then we have Videocon account. Here also we have trade balance of 2,99,230. After this, guys, we have a purchase account which has debit balance of 4,26,000. After purchase, we have input SGST account which has debit balance of 28,620. Then input CGST account which also has the same balance 28,620. And then input IGST account which has debit balance of 21,420. Then guys we have packing and forwarding charges account which has debit balance of 4,270. Then we have purchase return account which has trade balance of 53,000. Then we have Boomi Traders account which has debit balance of 25,753.5. Then after Bhumi Traders account, we have debit balance on Gayatri Enterprises account of rupees 58,852.5. Then sales account has trade balance of 1,88,750. After sales account, we have output SGST account which has trade balance of 13,934.25. And the same is with output is CGST account 13,934.25. Then trade balance of cash 2,360 and debit balance of bank 98,087.5. Got this, guys? And then we have sales return account which has debit balance of 33,250. This one. After sales returns, we have rebate account which has debit balance of 675, furniture account which has debit balance of 64,000, and at the last, guys, we have a new furniture account which has trade balance of 75,520. You would be given one project this year, guys. Now you already would have been given a project by your school, in your school, by your accounts faculty, and there you have to do this only, guys. You have to choose yourself some transactions. With that, you have to make subsidiary books, journal book, ledger, and then trial balance. And after trial balance, you also have to prepare final accounts. Or maybe your accounts faculty may ask you to make it only till trial balance. If it is not given yet in your school, guys, soon it would be given. So this is how, guys, we are done with the trial balance. Now we have to do only the total of both the sides. So just check out how much you have noted down, guys, in your notebooks of this trial balance. And I hope you all have understood the entire process of subsidiary books as well till trial balance. Right? Right, Manvi Shubhi? Both Yash, right? You got this. Punar, Ashutosh, Aryan, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh, Aryan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, please do this fast. We do not have time now. I have marked cash account and its balance in red. Why? Because cash cannot have trade balance. However, in our question as of now, since we have not been given the opening balance of cash, it is coming as negative. Right? So we have made our trial balance with negative cash balance.
That means we have to give the this cash at first date of the month.
Sorry, Aryan?
Means it is credit balance, so we have to give this money to the creditor.
No, no. No, cash account. See, cash account is not a personal account, it is real account. Personal account if has credit balance, it means that much we have to pay to an outsider. Means we have to pay to somebody. Like here, if you see Akai Limited and Videocon Limited, they both have credit balance. So this much of amount we have to pay to each of them, right? But cash is not a personal account. So it means we have negative balance of cash, which I have already told that one cannot have at all. How can you pay more than what you have? You can never pay more than what you have in your pocket. So it is only hypothetically we have written here because we had lack of information in this question. Otherwise, in no question you will get negative cash balance. I hope you understood this, Aryan, right?
Yes, sir.
So have you all noted down everything, guys, still here? Ashutosh, Hunar, Aryan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, doing totaling of both the sides of trial balance that I'm leaving on you, you do it after the class, right? And in case the two sides do not match, let me know and then we will do it in our next class. But guys, today our right hand side flow till trial balance is also done fully. And tomorrow you will be given an assignment on it. I hope you all have got this, right? That's it, guys. Thank you.